In this video, I am creating this Maharashtrian bridal look. I have moisturized my face and now I am applying peach corrector. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. I am applying this peach corrector on my dark circles, around my mouth and wherever I feel the need to conceal. Next, I am applying some loose powder on the corrector. I am applying foundation with a beauty blender. You don't have to use the same tools that I am using. You can apply the foundation with the brush or you can even use your fingers. Next, to highlight my face, I am applying concealer. After blending the concealer, I am going to set it with some loose powder. Next, I am contouring my face with powder contour. I am going to list all the products in the description box below. Next, I am filling in my eyebrows. I am using an ash gray colored pencil for that. I brush them downwards and filling in the sparse areas. Then I am going to brush them upwards and fill in the sparse areas. Next, I am applying blush. I am applying it on my nose also. I want to have that flushed look. Some on my chin. Next, I am applying highlighter. I am using an eyeshadow primer. Using an eyeshadow primer makes your eyeshadow last longer and you get the true color of the eyeshadow. For the transition, I am going to be using this shade. I am using a fluffy brush. Next, I am using this shade. With a smaller blending brush, I am applying it on the outer corner of the eye. I am kind of creating a V shape. I am going to take this color till the middle of my crease. With a clean blending brush, I am blending the shade. Once I am happy with the blending, I am going to move on to the next color, which is this golden shade. I am applying it with the help of a flat brush. Next, I am using this dark brown shade on the outer corner. If you are not a fan of glitter, then you can stop your eye makeup right there. I am going to apply some glitter. On my lower lash line, I am going to smudge this brown color that I used on the outer corner. I am taking it only till the middle of my lash line. Next, I am applying some glitter glue. I am applying glitter on the golden eyeshadow that I used. Next, I am applying liquid eyeliner. I am starting from the middle of my lash line. As you have more product on the brush when you start applying the eyeliner, you should always start from the middle of your lash line. For my lipstick, I am applying brown lip liner. The shade that I am using today will be red. I am applying liquid lipstick. I am smudging some kohl on my waterline. I am also going to tightline my eyes. Falsies I am going to be applying off camera. I am applying some mascara. So that's it. That's my Maharashtrian bridal look. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this look. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.